Hello everyone, good morning to all. Dear student, welcome to the 2021 to 22 academic year. It's a great opportunity to be your SSC teacher. Welcome to you all in my SSC class. I am Amila Jaspal, your SSC teacher, and in this year we will study in SSC three books. First, history, our past third textbook history, and this book is divided in two parts. And in history we will study first part. Chapter is chapter 1, how, when and where. Okay. Second chapter, from trade to territory, the company established power. Second chapter. And third chapter is ruling the countryside. Chapter 4, troubles, differs and the vision of a golden age of chapter 4, part of history, first part of history. And chapter 5, when people rebel, 1857 and after. In this chapter we will study 1857 revolt. Chapter 6 is colonialism and the city, the story of an imperial capital. And your history, our past, this book is part 1 and this book is part 2. And in this part we will study some chapters like chapter 7, weavers, iron smelters and factory owners. Okay, and chapter 8, civilizing the native, educating the nation. And chapter 9 is women, caste and reform. And chapter 10, the changing world of visual arts. Chapter 11, the making of the national movement 1870s to 1947. Chapter 12, India after independence. So, in this history part, in this session, we will study total 12 chapters. Okay, so and next book of your SSC, social and political life third. In this book, we will study chapter of total 10 chapters, and this part is divided 5 units. So unit 1, we study unit 1 name is the Indian Constitution and Secularism. In this section, we study two chapter. Chapter 1, the Indian Constitution, and chapter 2, understanding secularism. And unit 2, Parliament and the making of laws. So in this section we will study chapter 3, why do we need a parliament, and chapter 4, understanding laws. And unit 3 we will study topic the judiciary, and this section we will study chapter 5, judiciary, and chapter 6, understanding our criminal justice system. Okay, unit 4, in this section we will study social justice and the marginalized. And in this section we will study chapter 7, understanding marginalization, and chapter 8, confronting marginalization. And unit 5, we will study topic economic presence of the government. And in this section we will study two chapter 9, public facilities, and chapter 10, law and social justice. So here total 5 unit, and in 5 unit we will study total 10 chapters. In geography, resource and development, textbook in geography, we will study chapters. Total chapters are 6. First chapter, resource. Chapter 2, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Okay, and chapter 3, mineral and power resources. chapter 4 agriculture. We in this section we will read agriculture, about of agriculture, and chapter 5 name is industries, and chapter 6 name is human resources. So total in geography section we will study total chapter of 6. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed very well, enjoying very well SSC class, and we will start our SSC class tomorrow. Thank you.